If you are a beginner wanting to learn how to make candy apples, get in here. If you are looking for a candy apple recipe for a small batch of candy apples that can flex and turn a basic white candy apple into a light pink candy apple and then into a hot pink candy apple, get in here. Honey child, get in here if you want to make Barbie themed candy apples for a birthday party but need to find out how to strip the wax off your apples so your candy will stick to make the perfect candy apples, get in here. If your first name starts with the letter A all the way to the letter Z, have several seats and get in here because I will share the best candy apple recipe in town. This is Candy Apple TV with DIY Queen Diva. If your Granny Smith apples are still green like this, you have not stripped the wax down off your apples because they need to look like this. The instructions on how to strip wax off your apples are down in the description box, and I have also placed videos right here at the top of your screen. For my small batch of candy apples, I am using 3-2-1, which is 3 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, and 1 cup of light corn syrup. In my case, I love to use this Karo light corn syrup. Here I am adding the 2 cups of water, 1.5 teaspoons of butter vanilla. I use Loren's butter vanilla. Stir your candy apple mixture. Your mixture should be flowy like this, not thick and stiff, because if it's like a thick texture, your candy apples will come out thick. Guys, make sure you have a candy thermometer, and when it reaches 300 degrees, take it off the stove. I am using Wilton's White, Hobby Lobby Super Red, and Hobby Lobby Soft Pink gel food coloring. My candy apple mixture has reached 300 degrees. I add my white. This is the best white to use. It's my preference. So what I am going to do is dip my white apple, and this is the best candy apple recipe to use if you just want to experiment on candy apples, make different designs, different colors to see how they will come out. Like I am doing, I am going to turn this white candy apple into a light pink candy apple by adding 1 drop of Hobby Lobby's Soft Pink. And when I say 1 drop, that's what I mean. 1 drop goes a long way. Tilt your candy apple pot. Rotate your apple to make your light pink candy apples. Scrape the extra candy from the bottom of your candy apple on the side of your candy apple pot. Once you are done, place it on your parchment paper. Again, this is 3-2-1 candy apple recipe. This is the best candy apple recipe to use for beginners because you want to start small before you go big time, honey. This is my Super Red Hobby Lobby's gel food coloring. As you can see, I am out and didn't know, but this is enough because all I need is 1 drop to make a hot pink color. Tilt your candy apple pot and rotate your Granny Smith apple to make your hot pink candy apple. Take your hot pink candy apple, let the candy drizzle, then take your hot pink candy apple and scrape it on the side of your candy apple pot. Place this candy apple right beside your light pink and your white candy apple on parchment paper. This is the cookie cutter that I am using to make the Barbie letters. I purchased this from JB Cookie Cutter. So this part right here that I am cutting out is the part where the letters will rest on. Get your white fondant, place some Talos powder down on your white fondant, and cut out your letters. Gently pull your letters off. Be really careful because you can tear your letters. You can take out the little circles inside of the letters, or you can leave them in. I'll do both so you'll see how it will look. Turn your letters over and place just a dab, a drop, not even a drop, just a dab of water using your treat brush, and apply it on the back of the fondant and place it down on your pink fondant. You can take like a candy apple stick, a fondant tool, and try to clean up around the letters. Just a dab of water. I will repeat the steps for the letters R, B, I, and E. I put some Talos powder down on the white fondant, cut out my R and the letter B. And as you can see, I had took the circle out while it was still in the cutter. Sometimes you have to use a fondant tool. I'm using my fondant tweezers to push the letters out. Apply a dab of water and attach it on your pink fondant. Use a fondant tool and straighten out your letters. take a dab of water and apply it to the back of the pink fondant, and now you can attach your Barbie fondant piece on your white candy apple, your light pink candy apple, or your hot pink candy apple. This is really cute. You can add bows if you like, or tutus. If you have enjoyed this candy apple tutorial, make sure you stay tuned to watch my next candy apple tutorials coming up right here on Candy Apple TV. I'll see you in a few seconds over in my next video.